historic 62-minute fireworks and drone spectacle. New Year's Eve, 2025, Abu Dhabi. What happened? On 31st December 2025, Abu Dhabi's Sheikh Zayed Festival in Al Wathba staged an extraordinary 62-minute continuous fireworks display as part of its New Year's Eve celebrations to welcome 2026. This show wasn't just long, it was designed to set world records and push the boundaries of public celebrations. Travel and Tour World Plus One, the fireworks ran from 8 p.m. up to midnight, forming a marathon sequence of pyro effects synchronized with advanced visual tech. Organizers also integrated a record-scale drone show using 6,500 drones that flew in formation for over 20 minutes, creating giant imagery in the sky matched to the fireworks and digital countdown. Virgin Radio Dubai Plus One, a record attempts and innovation. The event was part of an intentional push to secure multiple Guinness World Records, not only for the length of the fireworks sequence, but also for the scale and complexity of the drone, formations and aerial choreography. Virgin Radio Dubai. Traditional Emirati music, songs, and symbolic colors, including UAE flag hues, were woven into the choreography, making the experience both cultural and spectacular. Dunya News. Alongside the aerial display, the festival offered traditional Emirati performances, e.g. Al-Ayala, Al-Razfa, Al-Naduba, international musical acts and parades, family entertainment areas, children's programs, and cultural pavilions, expanded infrastructure for safety and crowd management due to large attendance. Virgin Radio Dubai. Our audience and impact. This celebration drew tens of thousands of attendees from across the UAE and abroad. Onlookers lined the Al Wathba grounds and surrounding areas, contributing to a festive communal atmosphere. The event's sheer scale and extended duration placed it among the longest continuous fireworks displays globally. The national officials framed the celebration not just as a countdown, but as part of the UAE's growing reputation for hosting world-class entertainment and tourism experiences. Travel and Tour World. Costs? What did it take? Direct cost figures. There are no verified public sources listing the exact total cost of the 2025-2662 minute show from official budgets or organizers. However, major UAE New Year fireworks and drone displays typically involve multi-million-dollar budgets. Because of the scale of pyrotechnics, drone fleets, technical crews, safety operations, and staging logistics, independent commentary suggests that such large public displays in the UAE cost millions of dollars each year, with some previous high-profile shows, for example, Abu Dhabi National Day or earlier NYE events, reported historically to cost around $20 million USD for long sessions. Medium.